Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates and representatives, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you to this regional workshop on trade facilitation and digitalization. This workshop is organized at a time when the world is going through multiple crises which have exacerbated the challenges in the Pacific region. The COVID-19 pandemic triggered a steep drop in global trade, immense disruptions in global supply chains, and higher shipping costs. In the wake of the war in Ukraine, food and fuel prices have soared across the world. The climate crisis is impacting the Pacific region in particular, with strong tropical cyclones and loss of environmental ecosystems and biodiversity. As a result, the cost of trade in the countries in your region rank among the highest in the world, and they add to the challenges your countries face for participating in regional and global trade due to remoteness to markets, small domestic markets, limited natural resources, and vulnerability to natural disasters. But we are not here to lament the challenges, but to focus on opportunities and solutions. Trade facilitation reform and modernization of border agencies have been key for Pacific Island countries to participate in and benefit more from trade. There are opportunities in regional approaches as these allow overcoming some of the challenges of small markets. UNCTAD has supported the Pacific region in various areas, such as trade facilitation, customs automation, digital economy, and trade analysis. We are proud that our collaborations and partnerships have provided tangible outcomes, which I believe are pertinent to the discussions of this workshop. Let me highlight some examples. First, on trade facilitation. Our flagship technical cooperation program for trade facilitation is the Automated System for Customs Data, in short, ASYCUDA. 14 nations in the Pacific are using or are in the process of implementing the latest version of this software. Tuvalu, after launching ASYCUDA World in December 2021, has reported a 20% increase in revenue collection due to improved transparency, compliance, and efficient clearance, with Tuvalu's trade-related data accuracy increasing from 10 to 85%. Thanks to ASYCUDA World in Vanuatu, applications for sanitary and phytosanitary certificates and permits can now be done in 10 minutes as opposed to 3 days, at least that it took in the past. In Papua New Guinea, the average application processing time was cut from 7 days to 2 hours after automating the monitoring of container movement. These are impressive figures. This year, and in the spirit of continuous improvement, UNCTAD will be a partner for the UN Global Survey on digital and sustainable trade facilitation. With this, we aim to support better data collection and better representation. Second, on the digital economy, the digital revolution is transforming our world at lightning speed. The prospects of countries and people will depend on the capacity to use and benefit from digitalization. UNCTAD is part of the joint initiative of the Pacific Digital Economy Program, together with the UN Capital Development Fund and UNDP, and in close collaboration with the Pacific Islands Forum Secretariat. With this program, we provide both regional and national support to build a more inclusive digital economy in the region. Third, on non-tariff measures, or NTMs, we have worked extensively on enhancing transparency in trade regulations by mapping regulations and NTMs systematically. What we have learned over a decade of collecting NTM data is that such information is not easily accessible nor business-friendly. Information is usually scattered across many different government sources, and in response to this, we have developed a trade portal to cover trade procedures and trade facilitation, as well as trade regulations. Ladies and gentlemen, this workshop offers a valuable opportunity to exchange experiences and identify opportunities and synergies for the way forward. I wish to thank again the Deputy Prime Minister, our donors, the European Union, and the governments of Australia and New Zealand, and representatives from across the Pacific for your engagement in supporting trade facilitation and the digital transformation in the Pacific. I wish you a fruitful workshop, so thank you, and Vinaka.